Hey everybody, I'm Kristi Perikly. Welcome to Tune Up Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to use an existing geographic boundary from geothinQ to serve as a search query filter on our census data layers. We're going to interact with the charts, make some comparisons, and then export those out. All right, let's get started. We'll begin in geothinQ by adding the MSA boundaries to the map. Today we're focusing on the Phoenix Mesa Chandler MSA. When we click on a result and identify it, we can choose the option Add Graphic here, and for this exercise we'll be choosing To Search. This adds the boundary of the MSA that we clicked on to our search location filters. We're going to go back to our layer list. This won't lose the graphic in our search pane. We want to get the results of all of the commute times recorded within this MSA, but they're recorded by individual census tracts. So we'll click on the ellipsis next to the layer name and choose this as our location to search. This takes us automatically back to the search pane with our boundary still populated in the location-based filter area. The boundary will return any results of tracks that it touches, so in this case that will also include these intersecting results outside of the MSA we're focused on. To adjust the search criteria, we're going to add a negative buffer around the polygon boundary, which will tighten that existing polygon search boundary area. By doing this, we can ensure that we only return intersecting results inside the MSA that we want. Now we're going to run the search, and we instantly see the results for every census tract in this MSA. We can change the chart to symbolize by each county, and we can adjust the output to be the average per county. And here we can even download an image of the chart in report form. Thanks for joining me.